Hello. I already recorded the video in which I showed how I adjusted my first vertebra below the skull, called atlas. But this time I will show you how I do it to others. My method is safe and efficient. Okay, many chiropractors, while adjusting, do movements diagonally, this way. But I think that it is not good, and in this way they cannot adjust the first and the last vertebrae, but only the vertebrae in the middle part of the neck. The atlas is located just below the skull, and there is no disc between them to amortize. That's the reason why this vertebra is the most difficult to be adjusted. Okay, let's see my method. I hold the patient's head at sides with my hands so that my thumbs are behind her ears and the rest fingers are in front of her ears. My principle is clear. I move her head gently back and forth several times, okay, and then left, right, also several times, and so on. I repeat this procedure until I adjust all the cervical vertebrae. Okay, my method takes a few minutes. I believe that every person can adjust his or her atlas by means of my method, this way, but they should have faith and be relaxed, because the adjustment happens when we don't expect it. Thank you. Goodbye.